Guys, welcome back to Living 757. Ashley, as I'm sure you may have experienced, a personal injury can be something that none of us want to experience. I mean, these things can be traumatic.
Yeah.
They can be very, very unexpected, right? And
Yeah.
then most importantly, very expensive. But the question is, what constitutes an actual personal injury to be qualified as such? And what law firm do you choose? Well, lucky for us, Brad Huffman from Huffman and Huffman Brothers-In-Law is right here with us again. Welcome back to the show, Brad. How you doing?
Thank you. I'm doing great, Quincy. How are you?
Well, you know, doing pretty good, man. You're sharp as always.
You too. I like your sweater. I should have brought mine.
Well, did you not get the memo?
I didn't get the memo. Sorry.
Okay. Well, we'll
We're
try.
going to talk
Next
to
year. I'll
production
get
after
right.
this.
All right. So, Brad, so you're here to kind of give us some insight on what constitutes a personal injury, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's pretty simple. You have to have an injury, and you have to have somebody who's at fault. Somebody has to have caused that injury
Okay.
in order for you to make a claim. They have to be negligent.
Gotcha. So what would be a good example? Like, do you have an example for us?
Yeah, so I was actually going to give you guys a little quiz, if that's
Oh,
okay.
no, I didn't.
All right.
And I think we can explain what is a personal injury case
Okay.
and why you should talk to a lawyer
All right.
Okay.
based on this quiz.
Okay.
It's not a tough quiz.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Good.
So let's say you guys are driving down Tidewater Drive. Quincy, you're the driver. Ashley, you're the passenger.
Okay.
You're driving down Tidewater Drive, and as you approach an intersection, this other driver blows through a stop sign, T-bones your car, and now you're both injured. Do you have a case?
Yeah.
Yeah, but just kind of flipping things around. Who was driving again?
Yeah, you. You're driving the car?
Chances are.
I'm suing him for not paying attention to
You see what I'm talking about? I knew it.
Wow.
I'm
knew
suing
it.
everybody.
Okay.
That's actually a pretty good answer.
Really?
Okay, so most people say, well, listen, if I'm driving down the road, I'm minding my own business, some guy just blows through a stop sign, that's an easy case. The guy's at fault. I didn't do anything wrong.
Right.
But it depends. Take, for example, if you were speeding.
Okay.
If the posted speed limit is 35 on Tidewater, and you're doing 45, and this guy pulls out in front of you, you give up your right-of-way.
Really?
And even though this guy blew the stop sign and collided with your car in the intersection,
I'm the one in trouble.
well, both. So the law looks at both people.
Wow.
They look at the actions of the other driver. Clearly, he's responsible.
Okay.
He blew the stop sign.
Wow.
But they look at your actions too. And if you were going over the speed limit, you give up your right-of-way. Now, Ashley, because you're a passenger, you can make a claim. You didn't do anything wrong.
Right.
You're just sitting there minding your own business. So
Yes.
you can make a claim against the other driver.
And
you can make a
Quincy.
claim against
Yeah,
Quincy.
and she would love nothing better than to do that. Okay. All right, cool.
Now, what if you're doing the posted speed limit and this guy blows the stop sign and you don't see this person until he hits you in the intersection?
Then that person.
Do you have a case?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think, Ashley?
No. Because you weren't paying attention.
Wow, yes.
Okay.
Yes, so Quincy, go ahead.
Well, no, I was going to say, clearly I'm at fault once again.
Quincy
Quincy's
failed his law test.
Quincy,
I didn't mean to pick on you, by the way.
well, no, it's too late. I see that you came bearing gifts. We'll get to this in a second, but our time is a little short. Can we do some questions for you?
Yes.
Since you're going to put me on blast.
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Yes.
It's
we
my
are gonna
turn.
Okay, now we're
play
gonna flip it
a
again.
Fun game. Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna flip it again, and you got to tell me if this is real or not.
If
All right.
it's a real case or a make-believe case?
Yes.
Ooh,
It's
okay.
Man
a real
believes
lawyer
he is
versus me.
God and demands secrets to magic. A resident of Minnesota sued David Blaine and David Copperfield. He demanded that they reveal their secret magic tricks to him. The reason for the suit is that Bowler believes that the magicians are defying the laws of physics.
Definitely real.
And therefore using godly powers.
It's real.
Minnesota maniac is also suing because he believes that he is
real.
God and that Blaine and David Copperfield are stealing
real.
powers that belong to him.
It's real.
That's so crazy, I would say it's real.
Oh, you can't copy me, Brad. The more ridiculous the case sounds, the real it is. Yes, I knew it.
I don't know,
Ding,
is it
ding,
real or
ding,
is
that
it
one
fake?
is-
Yes,
True.
yeah, it's real. It's
Oh,
true.
there you go.
We were
Okay.
both right. All
Okay,
right.
one
All right,
more.
Last one.
The dog ruined my love life. personal injury claim. A 26-year-old man sued a neighbor for humiliation and suffering after the neighbor's dog interrupted a first date. Apparently, he and the woman were walking in the park when the dog came up to him and sniffed his behind. The man filed suit on his neighbor for $15,000, claiming the dog had embarrassed him to the point of terminating the date and destroying his confidence when it comes to women.
I saw this case on Judge Judy. Real.
Wow. Well, let me say it wasn't my client, first of all. But I would say, again, that's so crazy, it's got to be real.
All right.
I didn't see Judge Judy, though.
So is it true? Oh, it was false. We were both wrong.
It was false.
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Well,
it was false. We can talk more after this because these are some really funny scenarios.
And thank you for the gift,
Yes.
too.
Absolutely.
We
Thank you
certainly
so
take it.
much.
Yeah, thank you for always stopping by and keeping us informed. Your
Yes.
contact information is on the screen, so we certainly do appreciate you guys helping
Yes.
us finish this year off.
Yeah,
absolutely.
you guys make
Thank
sure
you for having me, Quincy. I appreciate it. Ashley, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yeah.
You guys make sure you call our friends at Huffman and Huffman for all of your personal injury claims, and of course, make sure you call the experts because that's not Quincy or I.
I don't know. I think that's me and Quincy. Yeah.
What about me?
Well,
I got
actually,
questions right.
you got the answers right, both of them. Yeah. Awesome.